Hey there, my money-savvy friends. It's your favorite financial enthusiast, Green Waifu, here to tackle a big question. When will you ever be able to afford a home? I know, it may seem like a distant dream, but fear not. Today, I'm going to break it down for you in a way that's super easy to understand. So, get ready to learn, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. So, why is owning a home important? Well, a home is like your very own castle, a place where you can build memories, feel safe, and call your own. It's an investment in your future, providing stability and a sense of belonging. But before we can dive into how to afford a home, let's start by understanding the different parts that make up the home buying puzzle. The first step in affording a home is saving money. Saving may not sound exciting, but trust me, it's a superpower that can help you achieve your dreams. Let's explore some key points to get started. 1. Set a savings goal. When it comes to saving for a home, having a specific target in mind is crucial. It gives you something concrete to work towards and keeps you motivated along the way. For example, let's say you want to buy a $200,000 home, and the down payment required is 20%. That means you'll need to save $40,000. Break down this big goal into smaller milestones, such as saving $5,000 every year or $417 per month. By setting incremental goals, you can track your progress and celebrate each milestone achieved. 2. Create a budget. Creating a budget is like making a plan for your money. It helps you understand where your income is coming from and where your expenses are going. Start by tracking your income, including any money you receive from allowances, part-time jobs, or other sources. Then, list your expenses, such as school supplies, entertainment, and snacks. Be honest with yourself and identify areas where you can cut back on non-essential items. For example, instead of buying a new video game every month, consider borrowing games from friends or using a library's rental service. Redirect the money you save from these cutbacks towards your home fund. Remember, every dollar counts. 3. Automate your savings. Saving money can be a breeze when you automate the process. Talk to your parents or a trusted adult about setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. This way, a portion of your income will be automatically deposited into your savings account without you having to think about it. It's like having a secret helper that puts money away for you while you go about your daily activities. You can start with small amounts, such as $10 or $20 per paycheck, and gradually increase the amount as you earn more money. Over time, you'll be amazed at how your savings grow thanks to the power of automation. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's talk about home affordability. It's essential to find a home that fits within your budget and financial capabilities. Here's what you need to know. 1. Determine your budget. Understanding your financial situation is crucial when it comes to buying a home. Take the time to assess your income, expenses, and overall financial health. Calculate how much you can comfortably afford to spend on housing expenses, including mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. It's not just about the price of the home itself. You also need to consider the ongoing expenses associated with homeownership. This will give you a realistic idea of what you can afford and help you avoid stretching yourself too thin financially. For example, imagine you have a monthly income of $3,000. After assessing your expenses, you find that you have $1,500 left over for housing costs. Based on this, you can start looking for homes within that price range, ensuring that you stay within your budget and maintain a healthy financial balance. 2. Consider pre-approval. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is like getting a golden ticket in the home buying process. It involves a lender reviewing your financial information and providing you with a clear picture of how much they are willing to lend you. This step is important because it helps you narrow down your home search within your budget. To get pre-approved, you'll need to gather documents such as proof of income, bank statements, and employment verification. The lender will assess your financial situation and creditworthiness to determine the amount they are willing to lend you. Having this pre-approval in hand gives you confidence when house hunting because you know your budget and can focus on homes that fall within that range. It's like having a permission slip to buy a house. 3. Don't forget about hidden costs. Owning a home comes with additional expenses, such as closing costs, home inspections, and ongoing maintenance. Be prepared for these costs and factor them into your budget. It's always better to be prepared and know what to expect. Now that we know our budget, it's time to explore home financing options. Here are a few key points to consider. 1. Traditional mortgage. A traditional mortgage is a loan you get from a bank or lender to purchase a home. It typically requires a down payment, and you'll make monthly mortgage payments over a fixed period, such as 15 or 30 years. Think of it as paying off the home in small, manageable chunks. 2. Government-backed loans. Some loans, like FHA loans or VA loans, are backed by the government and may have more flexible qualification requirements or lower down payment options. These can be great options for first-time homebuyers. It's like having a little extra help from the government. 3. Saving for a down payment. Aspiring homeowners often save for a down payment, which is a percentage of the home's purchase price paid upfront. Saving for a down payment can help you secure better mortgage terms and reduce your monthly payments. It's like investing in your future home. We're almost there. But before we wrap up, I want to share some tips to boost your home affordability. 1. Improve your credit score. A good credit score can help you qualify for better mortgage rates. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. It's like leveling up your credit score game. 2. Explore homeownership programs. There are various homeownership programs, grants, or tax incentives available to help first-time homebuyers. Research local programs in your area and see if you qualify. It's like discovering hidden treasure chests of savings. 3. Consider a starter home. A starter home is a smaller, more affordable property that allows you to enter the housing market. It can be a stepping stone towards your dream home while building equity. It's like starting with a mini castle and working your way up to a bigger one. Congratulations, my young homeowners in the making. You've learned so much about affording a home. Remember, it's a journey that requires patience, discipline, and a little financial magic. By saving money, understanding affordability, exploring financing options, and boosting your home affordability, you'll be well on your way to making your homeownership dreams a reality. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share your home buying journey, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join our amazing community of money-savvy individuals. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and remember, you have the power to make your dreams come true. Goodbye everyone, and I'll see you in my next video.